Okay, so today I'm going to be testing out if this Lumineux Teeth Whitening Oral Essentials Kit actually works on my teeth. This is the state of my teeth right now, the shade. So I ordered this what, April 22nd, and it just came to me today. Today is what? May. Today is May 7th. Yes, May 7th. And I just got it today. So inside, there are 4 things. We have 14 strips, 7 treatments, teeth whitening strips. And then we have a Lumineux medically developed mouthwash. Sorry about these cut off, that's cut off. And then we have the whitening toothpaste, and then it comes with a metal toothbrush. I keep saying metal, but it's actually wooden. It's a wooden toothbrush. It's really cool and cute. So the steps are, I have to brush my teeth with the toothpaste first. And then, because that's all that came in the box. Like, there's literally nothing else. The strips tell you how to put the strips on. And yes, but luckily I watched all the videos on this whole kit, so I know what to do in what order. I have to put them on for 30 minutes. Leave them on for 30 minutes, and I can't eat or drink after for 30 minutes. And then I have to rinse my mouth. I can rinse it with water, or I can just brush them with water after the strips, and then we're gonna see what it does. I'm so excited because the shape my teeth are right now is not right. So I'll be back when I'm brushing my teeth. Okay, so first I'm gonna have to take off my lip gloss because, so we're gonna see what this toothpaste is about. I heard the mouthwash isn't supposed to burn. It's one of the mouthwashes that does not burn your gums.
Wet it first? Who else wets the toothbrush first? Oh, that's how it came out. I just kind of fell all over the place. Oops. Like way too much. So, let's get it started.
I mean, the toothpaste is almost like how mouthwash tastes, but without the burn. It's almost like there's a burn, but there's not really a burn. It kind of smells like there's a burn. Like in your mouth, you kind of like taste, I don't know how to describe it, but it has that minty taste without the burn, basically. That was alright. The bristles are pretty soft. That looks like again, back in there. And then we're going to use the mouthwash. And then the best results, you have to use the whitening toothpaste and then the mouthwash. That's all it says, basically. And if it starts irritating your teeth or your gums, stop using it. But so far, we're so good. And then yeah, I usually just get like a cap full of this. This was closed, but I opened it previously. Didn't use it, but get a cap full.
That didn't taste bad. It didn't burn. It didn't burn at all.
I initially tasted like minty, but the longer I kept it in my mouth, the longer I started to taste all these different types of oils. Like, I read the label before of all the ingredients and stuff, and the longer you taste it, the longer you keep it in your mouth, the more you start tasting all those different leaves and oils and stuff. Kind of leaves a nasty aftertaste, but it didn't burn. So, on to the strips. Okay, so the last step in these teeth whitening strips has the instructions from step 1 to 6 on the back, and we're gonna put them on. Comes in a pack like this, and there's an upper and there's a lower strip in each one of these packs. It says with both hands apply upper strip to top teeth. Hopefully there's labels on here which one's the upper and the lower. No, but I know the upper's supposed to be a square one. What do I have to do?
Apply lower strip to bottom teeth. Okay. Is this supposed to just stick onto my teeth? Is the sticky part? Okay, remove top and bottom strip from backer. I'm confused as to what part. I'm thinking this part goes on my teeth. The sticky part, right? Yeah. Ah, it's gonna be again. Okay. Okay, I think it's attached. And I gotta attach the lower strip to my tooth. Oh my god.
Once it's just attached, I have to leave it on for 30 minutes.
Nobody knows what a damn thing.
Okay. I have to leave it on for 30 minutes, and then I have to rinse my mouth with water. So
My teeth might be big because it didn't cover my whole mouth.
Yep, she's from West Virginia.
Shut up. I am not from West Virginia.
oh, perfect. Looks like they're getting yellower.
Maybe it's green and yellow.
Yeah, hopefully it's dragging the yellow out. And then I'm gonna be left with pearly whites. Okay, I'll be back in 30 minutes. I gotta time this shit.
Not fast?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes?
Yeah. After 30 minutes, I should see a noticeable difference. It's been 5 minutes, so in 25 minutes, I'll come back. 30 minutes. Probably a little bit over 30 minutes because I was on my phone. But this is what, it's almost like the strip dissolved onto my teeth. I'm gonna try to take this shit off. Ah. Ooh. It can, there's still some, there's like completely gone right there, but there's still some, I don't know, whitening. So slimy. To get this film off, it says to brush it, I'm guessing with just water. So so white. Wow. Are they really white?
Ew.
Are my teeth white? Come here. Come in the light. He's a hater. The bathroom light, so it's not that good.
Hello.
They definitely look white. They look so white. Wow, I'm very impressed. Do my teeth look white?
Yeah, they do.
Kinda. They said there might be some white spots.
Oh, you know. Yeah, there is some white spots. I'm getting confused. I'm thinking about.
But those will go away in 24 to 48 hours.
Yeah.
This is outside lighting. So overall, the whitening kit was a success. It made my teeth visibly more whiter, and the toothpaste didn't hurt. The mouthwash didn't burn or anything like that. Everyone, you get it. It's only like $45.99 for the toothbrush, the mouthwash, the toothpaste, and the 14 whitening strips, 7 treatments. Probably not gonna do like the whitening strips like back to back to back. I'm gonna like probably like wait 2 weeks and then do another one. But the toothpaste and the mouthwash I'm gonna use every day until I run out because I liked it.